Hello, everybody. How are you doing? This is your boy, Funsha Samson, and I bring you good tidings. As usual, it's a beautiful day here in the United Kingdom, and I just want to say, thank God for life, and just to say a massive thank you to my subscribers, those of you that have been, sharing, liking the videos, and supporting this channel. You deserve all the appreciation. So I just want to say massive thank you to you guys. Big up to you. And for those of you who haven't subscribed yet, and if you haven't been sharing this video and you haven't been liking the videos, even though it's been helpful, this is the time for you to give back now by doing what? Hitting that subscribe button. And if you like our videos and contents, you can also click the notification bell so you can get first-hand information whenever we drop new contents. So we intend to keep you here for as long as you want to stay, rent-free, no service charge, no ground maintenance fees, because we're nice like that. Okay, guys, so thank you, and we are happy to have you on board. Okay, so today, the video I'll be recording today is just my next withdrawal, which I'll be doing right now as my money is already back into my wallet balance. So it's due to be withdrawn. And sometimes when I just get itchy fingers like this, I just feel like, doing something with my fingers. And what I like to do is just hit that button and then move the money from my wallet balance into my wallet. And I like that feeling. I love it. Okay, guys. If that's what you like, feel free to use the link below in the description box and register for Cotp. Cotp has been going strong. I can assure you guys that I'm really, really excited. It's been a very good journey so far. I've only been registered on Cotp for a month. It's just 4 weeks, and it's been an amazing journey. Looking forward to it. It's been a lot of hard work for me because I've been trading manually, and I've had to make sure that I've been trading at least 10 times out of 12 in a day. Okay, so I always believe in hard work, so I don't mind. When it's time to work smart, I work smart, but sometimes I just love to do the hard work, because when the benefit comes in and when the payday arrives, it's always nice. So today is another payday, guys. It's time for another payday. So very quickly, I'll just show you. This is my back office. And as you can see, so from the previous video, for those of you that haven't seen it yet, I started trading with 1,000 US dollars in Tron. And this is just over a week and how many days now? Just over a week and probably 4 days. Yeah, over a week and 4 days. So almost 2 weeks. And as you can see, my wallet balance is now 1,632. And this would be my, I think, 4th withdrawal. For those of you that have been following, you would know what I mean. So I've been making withdrawals of my profit and then continuing with my capital. So guys, this is it. So as you see, let me click on my transaction hall. So as you can see in my transaction hall, I've got 1,633. And today what I'll be doing is just withdrawing 500 and then trading with the rest. Okay, so let me just quickly show you my income statistics. Click here. So just to, reiterate the benefit of compounding. If you can see from here, I was making about 34, which is about 3.1% per day. I was making about $34 per day, averaging 30, 31. So look at 31, 33. And then because of compounding, it went up to 42 and then 35 because I didn't have enough time to trade. Probably I was busy with my daily job. And then 45, kept on compounding 43, kept on compounding 49, kept on compounding 47. So I'm on 14 for today now because I've just only started today. So it just shows you the power of compounding, guys. And it's just for your own best interest. So having said that, going to make my withdrawal and not bore you guys too long. Okay, so make a withdrawal. It shows you available balance, which is 1,632. How much am I withdrawing today? 500. 500 and let's say 530. Transaction password. Okay. And then the message verification code. Send. So some of you might experience something weird when you're doing this. Sometimes when you do this, it doesn't send the verification code until it expires. Don't worry. Don't be afraid. Sometimes it happens like that. All you need to do is just to click it again. And I can guarantee you that the second time it comes up, as you can hear, mine came up just immediately. So, okay, so successful submission. Confirm. So let's see how much I've got left. Good. So I've got 1,102. So what do? Transaction hall. Let's quickly put that money to work. Immediate competition for orders. So for those of you that might be finding what I'm doing now strange, you can go back to my previous videos on how to trade on Cotp. That's exactly what I'm doing now. This is just simply how to trade. I'm trading again and then coming back in the next 2 hours. So, okay, I'm happy with this. So yeah, sell. 871 worth of USDT. And the profit is 2.613. Quite happy with it. Confirm. I've got 231 USDT left to, compete for others. So let me, okay, so this is 215. Am I happy with this? Yes, I am. So guys, as I'm talking to you, I've just been credited in my wallet. So the withdrawal is less than 2 minutes. So the withdrawal process is less than 2 minutes. And because I'm still doing a live recording, this is where I'll be posting the time I received my withdrawal in my wallet. The time right now is 9:57, and I made that withdrawal around 9:56. So this is 9:57 and it has come in. I've received it in my wallet. Okay, let me just finish this trade, and that is it for today. So guys, if you're interested in, making passive income and also making your money work for you, feel free to use the link in the description box below. Register for your Cotp. And for everyone who has used my link, I'm always available for you in terms of support. I'm always available to guide you through it when you struggle. You have nothing to worry about. All you need to do is just contact me, and I'm always there to support you. But if you haven't used my link, please just watch my videos, get as much information as you can get, but don't send me a personal message or ask me for any help, because I will not be available to help you, because I need to focus my energy on people who are my downlines and need my help. Okay, not being mean, but just business. Okay, so guys, I'm just looking for a good trade for my remaining wallet balance, which is 8.9. And then that's it for today. Okay, so this is 4. So the reason why I'm not accepting this trade that is presenting to me is because if I accept a $4 trade, I'll have $4 in my balance, which won't be enough for me to compete for another order, because once it's less than 5 USDT, you cannot compete for another. So I'm looking for something close to 8. So this is 5, and yeah, pretty much happy with 5 USDT, and then I'll have 3.941 left in my balance, which would have to wait until the next 2 hours before I can trade again. So there you go. That's it. So just come back in the next 2 hours and continue trading. So thank you so much, guys, if you have watched to the end. And like I said, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button. And if you have been benefiting from this channel, feel free to share and let someone also be blessed. Let's teach people how to make money. Let's stop giving them fish. Let's actually show them how to fish. Okay, guys, thank you for subscribing, and let's keep winning. 'Cause everything will be all right with you.